With its herbaceous, woody, and earthy scent, Manuka has been used for centuries in New Zealand for its plethora of health benefits. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Manuka Touch. Oh yeah. And so the common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topical, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on. The benefits of Manuka Touch are that it helps keep your skin clean and clear, reduces the appearance of blemishes, relaxes your mood, and promotes courage and strength. This oil is great because it's already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil in a roll-on option that you can just pretty much swipe it here and there. And so the main directions for use are rolling on a couple swipes behind your ears or under your wrists for a daily boost in your mood. You can also swipe a few times onto the palms of your hand and add to your skincare routine for a more healthy looking skin. And so this is going to be really great because you can just, put it on the palms of your hand, which is a reflex point. Your face has reflex points as well as the bottoms of your feet. And then when you rub your hands together and breathe it in, you're helping your mood, and it's going straight into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions. And so breathing it in is the fastest way to positively affect your mood. And this is going to be a really great and practical solution whenever times get stressful or whenever you head out into your day or just come back from something. And so that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already done so for future video updates. And most importantly, check out some of the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.